Torchbeam 7x6.5x7 LED headlights. The Torchbeam 7x6.5x7 LED headlights are a top-notch product designed to enhance your vehicle's lighting performance. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing field, I can confidently say that these headlights are of the highest quality and will vastly improve your driving experience. Featuring a sleek and stylish black color, these headlights are not only functional but also add a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's appearance. Torchbeam, known for its commitment to quality, has designed these headlights to meet the specific needs of headlight usage, ensuring optimal performance and durability. One of the standout features of the Torchbeam 7x6.5x7 LED headlights is their compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Whether you own a Chevy K5, K10, K20, K30 Blazer S10, Chevy K1500, K3500, Chevy C70, C4500, P40, P60, or even a Chevy Camaro RS, these headlights are a perfect fit.